Molweni, goeiedag, hello. Welcome to the University of Cape Town Update, your front row seat to the ideas, innovation, and research impact shaping our campus and beyond. It's been a time of celebration at UCT, with more than 6,000 graduates crossing the Sarah Bartman Hall stage during the autumn graduation ceremonies. It's a powerful reminder that behind every degree is a story of perseverance, grit, and triumph. But the UCT story doesn't end at graduation. In lecture halls, bold ideas are taking center stage. The inaugural lecture series sparked thought-provoking conversations over the past month, from rethinking South Africa's tax law to asking a deeply humane question: who really carries the responsibility of care in our societies? And speaking of shaping futures, UCT's School of Education is earning top marks. Its advanced diploma in school leadership and management is being hailed as a game changer, equipping school leaders with practical tools to transform not just the classroom, but entire communities. Innovation is also alive and thriving. From pea cycling, the quirky but brilliant startup turning human urine into sustainable fertilizer, to cutting-edge software that could revolutionize hydrogen-powered aviation, UCT researchers are proving that big ideas can come from unexpected places. In health and science, collaboration is key. UCT researchers working with global partners have made strides in tackling bacterial vaginosis by identifying new probiotic strains tailored to South African women. At the same time, critical conversations around adolescent health and HIV are shaping policies that could support a new generation of young mothers across Africa. Meanwhile, in our oceans, the story is more sobering. UCT scientists have revealed that Africa's coastlines are facing unprecedented sea level rise, a stark reminder of the urgency of climate action. And back on land, classrooms are evolving. From Cape Town to the broader Western Cape, educators are embracing multilingual teaching practices, bringing languages like isiXhosa into the heart of learning and reshaping how knowledge is shared. Finally, as South Africa commemorated human rights, UCT paused to honor history at the SS Mendi Memorial, remembering the lives lost and the legacy of courage that continues to inspire. That's your UCT update, where knowledge meets impact. For these and more, you can explore the UCT March newsletter, our website, and our social media pages. See you at the next one.